Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rotate a video in Windows Media Player quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, you want to open Windows Media Player on your computer, then select and play the video you want to rotate. You can lower the volume or pause the video if you'd like. It won't affect the rotation process anyway. Next, look for the three dots or more options. This one, this icon, it's usually located near the playback controls at the bottom of the screen, but it's located right here. So you want to hover over the three dots and you'll see a menu appear. Just click on more options. Then from here, you want to choose video settings. Then, as you can see, there's already the option to rotate video. Once you do this, your video will rotate clockwise, and if you want to keep rotating the video further, you can click the rotate options again. So go to video settings, rotate video. Each click rotates it another 90 degrees clockwise. Alternatively, you can use a quick keyboard shortcut instead. Just press Ctrl Shift R. Again, that's Ctrl Shift R to rotate the video without using the menu. And each time you press this shortcut, the video rotates again. And basically, that's it. You've successfully rotated your video and videos media player. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.